Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So ClaudioMan, let's try it. Finish it here. Can I play for D5? Is that a bad idea? I want to try and get this F5 square. Okay, if I can get a knight F5. It's kind of like a French defense with fianchetto. Put pressure on D4. Would he take it? I wonder. Nope. Oh, H4. Bishop can actually come back here to protect H4. I don't know, Queen E1, H3. Let's develop a bit over here just in case. Although knight A4 to C5, this could be slightly unpleasant. B5. Is that possible? Rook C8, just play on the queen side a bit. Queen B6. Alright, okay. We'll put a knight on C4. Let's put the bishop here, as mentioned before, and try and put a knight to C4, I think, if I've got time. So knight C8 to B6 to C4 is doing the same to me. Alright, so we're perching our knights like that. I'm threatening to win the exchange there. Can I snap this off on C5 or I like my bishop? What about A5? Is that A4? Maybe I should castle. Can be dangerous for the king in the centre. Okay, now this H pawn is a bit loose. Do I want to take on C5? Or A5? I don't know. A5, interesting. Okay, what's the idea here? Stay of tension now, he takes there, okay. So like this. Can I snap this guy off from bishop E6? Would it actually give me anything? I don't like the knight on C5 particularly. Mind you, I'm giving him the D4 square. Potentially. He's got the D4 square. Aha. Yeah, I'll get rid of this potential target, I think. Mind you, now that H4 is weak, Queen E1. Yeah, I'll put this, I hope I just want to get rid of that as a weakness. Maybe A5, I've got to get to the 7th somehow. And Queen B7 is useful to bear in mind. C6. Queen B6, let's take it here first. Will he spot it? C6, Queen B6. Is it useful? Oh, maybe Queen A7 is better.
Check.
Away from, right, and then think about this. Be useful if there was bishop D5 if you move the king. Aha. Okay. Can I infiltrate? Let's put a lock on this pawn. Queen a4 to b3. Queen a4, queen b3. c3 after. Yes, he's going for that. Gives me the e3, hang on. Gives me the e3 square. So maybe c3 coming up. Is useful, I hope. c2 is almost like significant because that pin on king h1, maybe rook c6 with bishop d5 check. That might be a good resource to distract, to get that diagonal. I'll get my bishop on this diagonal on king h1. c2 does seem possible here. What does he do to c2? I'm simply going to queen. Ah, does that? Shame. Chess is not easy, huh? Alright, queen e4. What about for bishop d5 on this diagonal? Also, there's rook takes a3. It's a bit short on time as well. Bishop d5 or rook c6 or rook a3. I think this one for queen h1. Okay, that's handy to win the exchange. Get this pawn. Exchange up. That is good news. Now, how to use this rook. I think get my queen over here. Rook. Oh. It doesn't mind playing the exchange down. Should I take rook c8? Let's do this. Let's play the exchange up for a moment. Just like this. Is that surely that's going to be tricky. I have to get my king involved, I think. I get my king to like f3 or something. King's an aggressive piece potentially. This looks great. No, king f3 coming. Yeah, cool. Yeah, fun one. Okay. So yeah, we both popped our knights on respective squares, and I wanted to try and get rid of my... No, white is better here. Oh, hang on. Just tactic. Oh, because of the bishop. I can't take this. Oh, I see. Hell, yeah, it was not good. Okay, that knight. I thought that knight was dangerous. Alright, reckons this one's better. I thought the frontal pressure, but it depends really on the position. I mean, alright, still white's better. Yeah. Yeah, the ancient doesn't mind black that much. It's not much of an advantage.
Check.
And why is queen b6?
Check.
Is that stronger? Can't see that. Okay.
Check.
Oh, maybe because of it's on the c pawn, rook c8 after. That's why that's stronger. Isn't that check? And I imagine if here there's a bit of trouble. Whoa, what? Bishop d7. Oh, that's a neat tactic for undermining b7.
Check.
Forget the g2. Bishop d7. Wow, what an engine tactic. Amazing. Okay. It's made its point. Queen b6 stronger. Definitely made its point. c3, yes. I thought that was good. c2. Queen takes a3. What's the idea here? Let's see here. Maybe to take c6. Okay, is what I played terrible? Bishop c4, apparently. Ah, for queen e1. If the queen moves, there's queen e1.
Check.
Okay. This is good anyway. I could just take all. Must be good. Why is taking so much stronger? I'm interested. Oh, b4. Another tactic. Terrible tactical idea. Alright, anyway, getting the king is simple and strong. Into the game. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.